Guys, welcome back to another video. So, kabalo ko, duhay-duhay na ko ka-post. Pero today, we're gonna play Granny. So, we're gonna play Granny. Dula ta Granny. Lah, to arang teddy bear. So, we're gonna... Since pro man kayo ta, mag-easy ta. Yes. Hello. So, yes. Dula na tao Granny. So, let's start. Tip, be quiet, she hears everything. Keep in mind that if you drop objects on the floor, it creates sounds. Press and hold the remove button and free yourself from the bear trap. Hide under beds or in cabinets. You have 5 days. Use headphone for best experience. Hoy! Use headphone for best experience. O niya mga jump scare na unsan mo na. Wear headphone daw for best experience. Pero unya ang mga jump scare, murag buang. So, wag na kayo magtaka kung sige ra tag syagit ron kay mo tagtala. Sige ra syagit. Hello. Uy, hello. Ay, wait, let's do the trick. Gitudlot ni akong best friend. Let's go. Kini ang trick, guys. Alahat. Bati. Granny, bati kayo kag batasan, ha? Ayaw ka, ana! Murag tala. So, that was a bit embarrassing, guys. Let's try it again. Ay, wait. Puro tagtala. Wait lang, ha? So, mura na ko. Yes. So, gitudlo niya akong friend. Nag-practice ta. Difficulty, practice. Granny's not home. You can explore the house, but not completely. Hala, wow! Sana all. Completely safe from dangers. Okay, so wala si Granny sa balay. So, natry na ako ni sa cellphone sa akong best friend. Pero makatakot pa rin siya kasi nandun yung parang tala na Granny na na spider. So, Granny is not home. Siya sa balay, nag-grocery shopping siya kay yang period. It's a new month. Na siya period. A new month, new period. Like say. Nga man new month, new period. Kasi, tanawa na iyang regla, tuwa pa. Hala. OMG. Ay. Sama na. Sama na. Murag talawan man, syempre taoy. Bisag wala si Granny sa balay, murag talawan na, dude. Please, teon sa mani. Uy, gidza to! I got whisper, guys. Oh my gosh. Am I crazy? Tala ko, am I delusional? Uy, di na ako ganon, guys. Bisag si Granny. Murag feel safe na ako na si Granny diri kay di ko mag-isa. Kasi alam niyo yon, kabalo mo to, murag humalong ka mo, kawar. Na mo na dungga nag-whisper na wala na patay na. So, feel ko mas safe ako pag nandito si Granny. So, we're gonna try the trick again. Yes. Siguro tagtala, we're finding cheat ways. Hello. Oh my gosh, it's the Holy Bible. Char, that's not the Bible, girl. Granny. Ay, for safety, hawakan natin ang Holy Bible. Huwag kang lumapit, Granny. Subukan mo dahil hawak ko ang Holy Bible. Granny, I am holding the Holy Bible. I cast out the bad spirit. Char, hala. Ning 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 ning. Kinchana. Ning 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 ning. Ning 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 ning. Granny, dugay-dugay man ka. Granny? Unya magpakita daw siya na diha ron, no? Wala makagtala, Granny. We grab the Holy Bible. Ah! Pistol ka, Granny. Granny, pistol kayo ka, Granny. Ah! Ay! We did the trick. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you could not tell, my heart is beating so fast right now. Granny, tanawa. Granny, imong mga mata, Granny. Katulog dito, Granny, kaya imong mata gapula. Anya, tanawa iyang ngipon, guys. Wa siya ga-toothbrush. Lagi siya toothbrush dito sa balay oil. With the Holy Bible, I cast out the spirit of evil, the spirits. Ay, bala. 5 days. Oh, na 5 days. Granny, you are blocking the... Wag mo tapakan yung vase, Granny. Masisira yan. Ang bigat mo kasi. Taba ka. Sige na siya sanina na dress. Teman, unta ka boros. Makabutala. So, yes, that is how you do it. You make noise in the room and then wait for this door to open like this. Oh, like this. Kunya, makita na mo si Granny diri. Murag, konti na gray diri. Mag-spam na ka sa sa bed. Inani mo, mag-spam na ka. Kunya, og ma-stay ra siya diha. Di na siya mo sabanan. Di siya lalapit sa kama. Then, you did the glitch successfully. Granny, panda ka man. Hapit naman ko ma-size ni mo, oy. So, I feel much safe. Tuara, Granny. Nga naman yung balay. So, we're gonna free your sister. But wait. Before I do this, I'm gonna dance. Kinchana, ning 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 chart. Lo. So now that Granny is kagwil. Granny, wag ka mag-alala. Pag nakahanap ako ng pagkain, makakita kong sudan, pakaununti ka, I will not let you die. Don't worry. Kinidiri hala, ang bok. Na mo, natagtala. We need the bok. Wait lang, Granny, ha. Diba? Nakakainis, no, nakakainis. Kay mong agtang, shiny kayo, dako kayo mong agtang. Kakainis, no? How does it feel to eat your own medicine? Ha? Marahot tala. Mag-make ko og sound. Unya, di ko ni mo pwede sapak sa ulo na imong baseball bat na regla. Unsa na nimo. So it is right there, the gasoline and the screwdriver. Ready ba? Ready? Sige, mag-shine ka na! Dali, mag-shine. It did not work, bitch. Hala? OMG, I'm sorry. I'll just cancel that. Yes! Nadunggan ako. Yes! So we got the screwdriver, pero ang gasoline, wa pa na ako nakuha ang gasoline. So we need the gasoline. No, did you naigo, guys? Ay, tuara ang gasoline. Slay! So this is how to cheat in Granny, guys. Oh, tala. Mali ako. Wait. Na ako nakita sa YouTube. Dagan ko nakita sa YouTube mga tricks and stuff. Screwdriver. Kabalo ko ahani. Hello? There is rust on this screwdriver. I don't think this will work. Sorry about the pause. Gitawag ko sa akong mama. She needed me to do something. Which is, we are a good bata naman, no? Pliowski! Oh my gosh, let's go. Sorry if I hurt your ears. Sana hindi nagbe-bleed ang mga ears na ngayon. Sorry. Granny, let me pay you a visit. Hi, Granny, you bitch. So, napansin na ako, murag piang tamag murag piang tamag lakaw. Kini ang playhouse. Diha man. Now we need the cogwheels. So back then, nagdula ko og Granny sa akong best friend self. Nabi na ko one way ra to ang pag-add to sa window. Pero di ay. Hello Granny, promise na ako. Butang na ko ning cogwheel dito sa playhouse. Pakauno naktikad. Doon ako sa kusina. Pero unya ara, deserve ni mo na ma-stock diha. Kay bad man ka, you're a bad person. Man pa. Naman ang playhouse din. Yung mga tala. Now we just need another one. So we're gonna go to the kitchen and see if there's food. Okay, muragi gutom man lagi ko, char. Bago ra ko kain piece of a painting ay polos. It's a wrench. Hawa daw. Oy, hawa ba? Wrench. Yeah, we need the engine. We need the engine part, guys. Wala tang pala. We need the engine part. What part of the house have we not explored? So, ibutang ra na ako ni Dere o sa harap para di tamang lisod. Unya, the problem, di ni mo pwede i-shotgun si Granny kay ug i-shotgun ni mo siya, mabalik siya sa original niyang position. So, di na ako i-assemble ang shotgun kay wa ko'y labot ni mo Granny diha. we need the safety. Anong safe siya kasi gitago siya ni Granny yun niya safe. So, pause to read guys. Kaya ako'y labot. Ako'y time mag-read. Char, kabalo ko basa oy. Pero, tapulan ra kayo kung mabasa. Kabalo ko ni sa pepper spray. Pero di na to gamiton ang pepper spray. This. A wooden stick. Saan daw ni nato wooden stick. Let's try going to the backyard. Dito to sa... Hala, natabilong-long na ang table. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go out. Is it here? Ay ha! Paghilom. Nganong kinahanglan manong handle. In real life, pwede rin mo ni ituyok-tuyok sa amok. Kayo ning Granny amok. You still need the engine. Okay. Let's go here. Hala! Okay. Wait, I think I remember this. I think I remember this. Yes, I definitely remember this. No, tuwara si Uncle Skeleton. Oh, tanaw. I think we're meant to be, but I flipped up destiny. She keeps on texting me. Do I like her? No, definitely. I'm just like Stephanie. Do I like her? Yes, especially. I found another cogwheels. Galag man akong game. Yeah. So, dati ga-joke ni kay ano daw ni mermaid daw ni katong ikog sa mermaid. Did you ever have that one friend katong Karki, yes. Did you ever have that one friend na bisag sad kayo ang moment maghimo siya og joke unya di na jud nimo mapigil mukatawa ka murag example na ka sa living kay namatay ang lolo sa imong best friend unya imong friend imong siya unya wala tawa ra ka unya lahat sila dito sila kabalugan sige kung tawa. By the way, this happened to me in real life. So, it is gas. Now I need this stupid hammer. I need the hammer for the stuff. We need the hammer. We need the hammer. Paghilong day. Unta dili ning hammer na diri. Yes! Oh my gosh, it's the engine part. Come on, let's go. Hello, oh my gosh, it's extended. OMG. So I think the best way, we have more of a chance. Turn on English. Murag mas dako atong chance mag-escape sa kotse kesa sa sa door. Kasi si Granny, pwede lang natin siya i-run over ng kotse. Char. Gonna fix this. Nanong isa-isa man. I need the spark plug and battery. And I think that's it. We can escape. Okay, Di ara ka, bisag kinanggal ka ka. Yeah, right, the cogwheel. Nako, pagikuha ang cogwheel. Murag diri man to. Bibili na akong cogwheel. Wala na. Hala, taas na kayo, 20 minutes. Pero bahala na. We're 20 minutes in and we're almost asleep. Give me the cogwheel. We're gonna do this. Diri manglagod jud ko. Dili ni mo i-glitch unya. So, unya manggukod si granny nimo diri. Di, mastak ka na diri. Wa kay mahimo. Nara siya diha gapondo ra siya diha kay kabaluman siya naa ka sa sulod. Oh, it's a teddy bear. Don't need that. So, we're gonna go check on Granny. Granny? Naka diha. Hi, Granny! Sayaw ra ka diha. Okay lang. Buang. The picture. Don't need a picture. So, nganong dako kayo ang balay ni Granny? Tanawa, guys. So, kana ang atop. Kana ang inang backyard. Kana ang atop. Garbage. Hala! Oh my gosh, we have the natay pagkaon para sa langgam, guys. Oh! Ay, master key. Okay, so now we have a 5% chance of escaping from the door. Kasi nanatang master key. Pero di pa nyo magamit kasi kinahanglan pa nimo tangtangon ng mga murag master key. Cannot open the door yet. Ay, wait, tong crowbar. Ay, crowbar? Crowbar ba to? O sa atong kuha ng hammer o ang langgam? Langgam na lang. When we feed the langgam, we can also get the hammer. So, we're gonna feed the langgam. So, this is a very okay, let's feed the langgam. What is this? Ay, kini na ni kinahanglan og wrench. O, diba? Ingon ako nimo kinahanglan pa ang wrench. Smart ko. Na-remember ko pa. Nakaalala pa ako. Naglalaro ako ng wrench. Kaunong tika. Kanya, ako man pa kaunong tika. Drop this. Yes! Cutting pliers. But I don't really need you, so I'm gonna put you here. Give me this. Wah, nahulog. Okay, Joe, dyan ka para hindi mo ma-block yung entrance. Diha ka. So, let's go. Wala pa na ako nakuha ang weapon key, pero di na nato ang weapon. Excuse me. Cutting pliers, cutting pliers, So, balik sa dito. Kuhaan na tong cutting pliers. So, what ang cutting pliers dito, guys? Cutting pliers. Pa na to na-explore ang upstairs. Uni na to explore, guys. We're not looking for that right now. Pagdali. I mean, we also need the cutting pliers for upstairs. Ayan, sorry. Ay, kana na? Wow, it's so easy. So we're gonna go upstairs. But we probably need the hammer, I mean a plank. But that's fine. Agay, isa pa ako sa pinto. Oh, karon pa kakahuna-huna. Buang ka. We're gonna go get the pliers. Yes. Agay! My bones, they broke. I don't need the master key. I need the hammer. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What? I need. Oh my gosh! No! Wow. Okay, mapod ko. Ah! Lapis. Oh no! This is gonna restart everything! No! Bate! Kagbatasan! Makay polos! Adto na lang ka dito, mahulog pa. It's so sad. Pero di man na ma-reset. Oh, yun na ta. Granny, we're gonna glitch you again because we need to escape ASAP. Dali, Granny. Oh my gosh, please. Ay, spoilers. Okay, so that is all for today's video. I don't think I can escape. Unsa daw? Escape Granny. Pero that is it, guys. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Di ko mag-promise na mag-post ko every day or every week, once in a week. Kaya mo nag-busy-busy ta, mag-prepare na ta sa June 16. Di pa ko ready. Pero that is all, guys, today for today's video. I hope you had a fun time watching my video, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button because I am trying to be a famous YouTuber. And that is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. That is all, guys. Bye!